Thanks for TAGRY for sponsoring today's video with the XO8 True Wireless Earbuds. Alright, here we have the earbud case. Alright, it has two LED powered displays. And the bottom of the case we have a USB-C charging port. And looking at these headphones, it looks like we have touch control right on the side of the earbud and LED right on the bottom of the earbuds. The range is 33 feet without your phone. Waterproof level is IPX5. Music playtime about 6 hours on a single full charge. These headphones support iOS, Android, Windows, tablets, and smartphones. Standby time is about 60 hours with these headphones. Built-in microphone so you can chat with your friends on these. Wireless charging and LED power displays. Portable charging case. I'll show you how to connect these. Make sure one of the earbuds is out. Go to Bluetooth and you should see the option XO8. Alright, let's do the smart touch controls for music with the right earbud. One tap is pause or play. Double tap with the right earbud is next track, but with the left earbud it's the previous track. Double tap. And they do have one for volume. With the right is long tap on the right earbud for increasing the volume. Long tap on the left earbud is lowering the volume. Quick triple tap on the right or left earbud is voice assistant. I did try these headphones out for over a week now. The bass on these are great. They're even louder than normal earbuds. Highly recommended if you guys are in a tight budget, but if not, these are still awesome headphones to have around.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.